Hi, I'm Natalie. Thank you for stopping by. I sell vintage and pre-loved luxury fashion at styledunder.com. My channel is all about still fashion and health and wellness. If you're new here, welcome. I drop videos every Mondays and Wednesdays, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a stuck zipper on your handbag. I have a vintage Alma here that needs some help. All we're gonna need is olive oil, a Q-tip, and a little bit of patience. Dip the Q-tip in the oil and slowly add it all over the zipper. Go over it a couple of times to make sure it gets inside the zipper. Test it out. If it's still stuck, repeat the process in the problem areas. Go back and forth to work the oil in so it can deeply lubricate it. And try it again. You will notice once the problem is fixed, it will move differently, look differently, and also sound differently when it's traveling down its path. Et voila! Thanks for watching. All done. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel for videos every Mondays and Wednesdays. You can shop my sustainable luxury fashion pieces at styledunder.com. and connect with me on social media at styledunder25. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Au revoir!